What's the meaning of coming through the rye? Coming through the rye. Coming through the rye.
Coming through the rye. Coming through the rye. Coming through the rye is a phrase from a poem by Robert Burns. It is often interpreted as representing the desire to break free from societal expectations and live life on one's own terms, just as the speaker in the poem attempts to catch a wild horse running through a field of rye. The phrase has also been used in literary works, such as J.D. Salinger's The Catcher in the Rye, to symbolize a similar desire for personal freedom and rebellion against societal norms.